Introduction. Shaurya comes home from school. He's tired. His mother brings him a glass of lemon juice. His grandmother serves him lunch. After lunch, his grandfather helps him with his homework. In the evening, his father plays cricket with him. Shaurya's family helps him in many ways. In this lesson, you will learn about family, objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify a small family, identify a large family, identify a joint family. Family. Arun lives in a house with his family. His family has 7 members. They are Arun, his mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, brother, and sister. Arun loves his family, small family. Ritu's family has 4 members. They are Ritu, her mother, father, and brother. Large family. Anish's family has 10 members. They are Anish, his mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, 3 sisters, and 2 brothers. Anish's family is a large family. Anish and his brothers and sisters share their toys and story books. Joint family. There are 15 members in Vinita's family. They are Vinita, her mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, 3 brothers, 2 sisters, uncle, aunt, and 3 cousins. Vinita lives in a joint family. All the members help one another. Summary.